Hello and welcome. I'm Diane, the owner and creator of Vermont Lavender, where I make and sell a lot of different skincare products like body butters, handmade soaps and lotions, and shower steamers. But today I want to take you along and show you a little bit of my shop and see how my shop is laid out, but also the retail shop. So I have customers that visit my online shop, but also my YouTube channel, and so I just wanted to show them a little bit of that. So come on in and enjoy, and just sit back and relax and see what I have. So it looks like this is a little bit more sharp, and so it's always interesting trying to figure out your camera settings, and it's a major learning curve. This is a ZVE10. I still haven't figured it out. So yeah, I'm a maker, not a techno person. So yeah, this is a lot of my stuff right here, and a lot of this is all my inventory right here. And so these are all my boxes, and this is how I have it stored. And then over here, these are my soaps are here. They're all nicely stored and labeled. And then over here, this is some soaps that I'm going to be making into some other different soaps, and I'm going to rebatch them. So that'll be a process. This is all my ingredients. Like I said in the previous one, it's all up off the floor, which is what you want. And then these are some really nice bath bomb and body butter ingredients. And this is the salts. I just want to show you a little bit about what oh, it's a little dark, sorry. How I store my stuff. And yeah, this is my desk right here where I put everything together. Not bath bombs, lip balms. And these are all my flavor oils right here. Can't wait to try them out. I'm going to make like maybe, it's not focusing. See, that's the problem with this camera. It doesn't like focus. It's like, hello, come on, you can do it. You gotta manually focus. So this is a blueberry right here. What's this one? This is birthday cake, salted caramel, cotton candy, and this one here is a bubble gum. So this one here I was thinking about making maybe a maple pancake one with it, so I think that would be pretty good for a lip balm. I already have a maple one, so I guess it's a manual focus. Let's see. All right. Okay. Learning how to do this. This is my little bubble bath stuff. That works really good, but you just need a very little that you add to your bath. That's why I made that. But yeah, let's get to the rest of the video. I just wanted to show you a little bit of my shop here, how I make all the magic happen. I know I have a lot of my customers that want to know how I make stuff and why I'm not open more. It just takes a lot of concentration and focus, and then also when I'm making product, it's really it would be better for the customer to come in when the product is done and safer, because I work with a lot of essential oils, fragrance oils, and some of them are really, really powerful. Then like the SLSA, which is a natural ingredient, and it helps to make the suds and things like that. I don't really want my customers exposed to the dust of that because I wear a special mask. So yeah, that's why I'm not open that much. And I do have an online shop, so if you want to visit me online or see me at the retail shop here in Southbury, Vermont. And this is the shop right here. So let me just show you a little bit here what's going on. These are some new products that I've made. This is my body wash bag. This is a ginger lime. It's really nice. I don't know if I can focus on it. Yeah, it's hard. I'm sorry. I do apologize. It's very difficult with the camera, just learning how it runs. Shaving cream, I will have a video on that. And okay, so I gotta get closer. These are all my lotions right here, and so let me back this out, and I do have to readjust it as I do that because it just should have autofocus, I guess, on. So let me just show you a little bit here. And then these are the, I have bath powder. I have a bath powder video on how to make bath powder. And then I'm going to have a video on how to put it all together. So I'll shoot the intro for that one. And because everything is a process. So there's a lot here at the shop. These are some more shower steamer packs. This is a really good idea. I have to make some more out of that. And then I have all these lined up. There's quite a few. And this is more of the shop right here. These are some new items, my lavender wands, my bags, and this is all unscented. So right here, so anyone that is sensitive to scents and things like that, it's really nice. And this is just lavender bundles. I have a video on that. If you haven't seen that, I'm putting that together, my daughter. And then I have my bath bombs right here. I have a little explanation of, you know, relax and enjoy in my story. And so these are some of the creations right here. And I have a nice wall. I have a wall of them, like just displaying them. And yeah, so it's, sorry, it's a little dark right there. And then this is all the soap products. And so I still have those. I will probably be getting rid of those or discounting them, or maybe probably use them up. These are really nice and they're still effective. They're still, the bath powder here for making these is still effective and still potent. The scent is still there, so it works out really nice. And those are the shower steamer gift sets. And then these are more of the soaps right here. You've seen this probably in another video. And this is that sea salt one. It's a lavender sea salt. I'm sorry, you can't see it that well. Here's the packaging. So I know this video thing doesn't do it that well. Doesn't give it justice. I probably should turn on the light. Maybe that would help. Let me go do that. Hold on. It's there. So hopefully this helps. So this is my soap display. And people like it when they come in. So yeah, that's it. I just want to show you a little bit of the shop right here. When you enter, this is what it looks like. All right, well, thank you for joining me today. I'm Diane, the owner of Vermont Lavender. And yes, please come by and stop in the shop and see what I have new or what I'm working on. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day and have a nice, beautiful, sunny day, which it is. Let me take you outside, take you and show you that right now. Our American flag is a little tied up, but I just wanted to show you a little bit what's outside. We're in the window here. It's a nice, beautiful, sunny day. So happy. No more rain for a little bit. All right, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.